Morning, guys. Since it was cool this morning, I decided to pull the carburetor on Mighty Mouse. And if you've seen the shorts, you already seen what the issue is, but I'll show you how far out this thing actually is. So let's set this camera down, see if I can get it angled right. Okay, there's about the best angle I'm gonna get. But you can see it moving, right? Well, this, I don't know if you can see it, but that's 11 thousandths feeler gauge. It's just a little bit in there. That's a lot. 11 thousandths is a lot. So yeah, there's my carb problem. Now I'm not 100% sure if it's the, pick this up. I'm not sure if it's going to be the metering block or the main body itself because I tried to use a straight edge, but I couldn't get it to sit in there right. But you can hear it. That's a machine piece. It should be perfectly flat. Should almost not even need a gasket for it. The 11 thousandths, that's an awful lot. So let's see if we can get our straight edge on here and see if we can tell exactly. Well, no, because I got too big of a damn straight edge. It's my problem. But I got a feeling it's from side to side. I got a feeling that it's lower over here than it is over here. So, but anyway, but yeah, that's my issue. It's back in here. That's why it's been leaning out on me, and that's why I can't get the idle screws to work right. So next stop for the carburetor, I'll put it back together, stick it in a box, and ship it. So much for just getting a quick and easy, dirty carburetor and throwing it on there and letting her rip. I didn't think the 302 really warranted a full built carburetor, but it's gonna get one. Alright, later guys.